flows on jazz.
No, nothing. What is he doing? Oh, he's about to feed her? Yeah. Yo, what's up? Yo, I swear to God, I just seen a Cambodian dude. Like, I just saw my first Cambodian in Maryland. I think so, I'm not sure. But yeah, on my way to drop out this resume and shit. And hopefully I'm gonna meet up with my homie.
On the set, Subi. Ooh, I can't stand them. I'm about to go crazy like a pop music. They say I'm way too raw, but that's how my pops made me. I'm a motherfucking bastard. Till I hit the casket, I'll be living life in the fast lane, so I'ma keep stacks. Look at all of these rappers. Everybody trying to be rappers. I'm sure to be rappers. Niggas way harder than a lot of these rappers. Yeah, you got some money. Boy, you still.
Yo, I'm in the house. Sorry about the light. It's dark as shit in here, but waiting on my homie. Like no matter what it is, like it's always like in the afternoon, like where it's traffic. And I hate leaving traffic, but this case, you can't help that. They went to a funeral, but even period, like it's everyone I know, like they want to do this shit when traffic, and I fucking hate driving in traffic. I hate it. Anyway, speaking of traffic, yo, I don't know if you that clip before, but yeah, that shit. Damn, I was trying to get his fucking Instagram shit, but the stupid bitch that was behind me was on my fucking bumper. Yo, I brake checked the shit out of that bitch though. I didn't show it. The girl that was next to me laughed like shit. I heard she was like, this dumb bitch. She wasn't talking about me. She was talking about the chick that was tailgating me. Cause I was like, is she close enough? She was like, I know, right? Like she hate that shit too. But yeah, and the dude that was in that white Ford, I don't fuck with Fords, but that shit was decked out. That shit was nice, and like I couldn't get the sound because I had my music last night for like turning it off. He was cool as shit. Yeah, I was he rolled the window down, so I was like, oh, you trying to show off now because he revved and shit. So I was like, oh, you trying to show off now? It was a DMV, it's uproar something DMV, but yeah, I'm gonna look that shit up. Yo, son, I'm going fucking crazy on Snapchat, yo. Some of them I'm not even posting, but I'm just fucking, like I'm gonna try to convert them over, but, like, Snapchat won't let me put them on the video or whatever, on my video editing. Shit is funny. What, motherfuckers? Huh? That's the type of shit that I'm doing, bruh. Yeah, that shit is funny. I'm done. You got beef, huh? You wanna start some shit with me, boy? Huh? I'm gonna fuck you up. I will fuck you up, boy. Don't fuck with me. Look at this shit. Look at it. Them little motherfucking kiddies on the internet and shit. You wanna start some shit with me, son of a bitch? I'll bite you. Okay, I'm done. I'm seriously done. I'm done. What the fuck are you looking at, motherfucker? Do you want a piece of me? Huh? What are you looking at, you son of a bitch?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.